creating products and promote them have never been so easy with the help of NetFlow. Today, I'll be showing you the steps in NetFlow to promote your product and create products to prepare for your online store. Hey guys, this is Bernard C here from marketsolvers, and today's episode will be the second part of NetFlow tutorial series. In this part, I'll be going through the products section right here of NetFlow. So what you can do inside this section, to summarize everything, you can either create or promote products, track your orders, or even link and promote funnels in NetFlow. So how do you do that? So let's dive into NetFlow and show you step by step. So right now I'm in the product section of NetFlow. So from here you can track your customers list from after clicking this button, but I won't be showing you about the customers tab right yet. It will be done in the next few episodes. So now we just click add the product. So here I will show you how to add a product into NetFlow. So once you click add product, you will see two sections. One is promote a product and one is sell a product. So for promote a product, this is suitable if you already have a funnel or a landing page that actually describes what the product is all about. So all you need to do is just grab that funnel link or your landing page link and paste it right here in the product URL. And here will be the category. So the category will actually help you to sort out the products into the right spot. So from here, just select one of the categories that is suitable for the product you're about to sell. And of course, the product title will be the product name. And description right here will be a short description that actually explains what your product is all about. And here you will have this special function where you can directly send emails to your team, your affiliates, or even the selected users maybe outside your team about the new product that you have just released. So it's actually marketing directly right on the spot. So this one will be your product image. You can either upload from your device or you can choose from the asset library, which I will be showing you here later in the series. So once you are done, just click add product and your product will be added into the list. So the second section will be to sell a product. So sell a product will be slightly more detailed because you can use this section to create a product that you can post on the store. So similarly, from the promote product, you have the product title, the category, and also a product description to explain what the product is all about. But for this section, you have extra few more things that you need to fill in. One of them is the model number. The model number treat it as in case your product has a specific type of variant in your business. For example, mobile phone. Mobile phone, you have definitely a lot of model numbers, right? Let's say for Samsung phones, you have Galaxy S series, you have Galaxy Note series. So from here, you can see that this is what the model number is for. So last but not least, you also have the prices right here, right below. The product price and also the old price, the default price that you set, and this will be the discounted price in case you have a promotion going on, then you can utilize this feature. And of course, if you have a shipping cost included, please type it right here as well. And commission is for products that you plan to set it as an affiliate offer. So it means that if you have people helping you to sell the product and they are supposed to receive commission, then you can indicate it right here, and the system will do the calculations for you. And of course, the most important part, you need people to see what your product is all about, right? So you have these two sections. The first one will be the main product icon, which will appear on the store itself, 100 by 100 pixels as usual. So you can either upload it directly from your device, or you can go to the gallery section, or maybe I should say the media library. And also additional images as well. This one will further describe what your product is all about. And last but not least, you also have this share to other users. So this is like a free promotional method that you can use to send to selected users, your team, or even your affiliates. So once you are done with all of this section, just go and click add product and you're good to go. And that's all for the products. For the product tab section in the main product list. So now we'll go to the next section, which is orders. So what does the orders do? So orders, we have two parts right here. So first of all, orders from in-app marketplace. So in-app marketplace is actually the online store that I have previously mentioned in the last episode and also this episode. So in-app marketplace, I will show you in the next few episodes to let you see exactly how the online store looks like. So this is where you can actually track all the orders come from your online store. And the second one will be orders from web checkout. So what does this mean by web checkout? So web checkout means that if you have any linked funnels to NetFlow, this is where you can track all the orders come from there. And if you want to have a Excel version or maybe a comma separated variable or CSV list, you can click export to get that list to convert it to graphs or charts for you to see easily. And now finally, let's go to the funnel section. So funnel section is very simple. So what you need to do right here. So right now I'm in a demo account as usual. That's why you don't see any data right now. So all you need to do is just click add funnel. So once you click add funnel, same thing as a product. Funnel title, you need to name your funnel, what your funnel is doing. Category as usual. And of course your landing page or sales funnel link will be pasted here. And a description on what your funnel is all about. And this one will be the same as the product. Upload a simple image or you can choose it from the media library. And last but not least, you have this part, same as the product. You can send to selected users, your own teammates, or your own affiliates. So once you are done, just click add funnel. And that's all there is to NetFlow. So that's all I want to share about NetFlow for today. So if you are watching this from YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe to receive the latest updates on NetFlow or other software tools that I'm promoting, or even some of the strategies or information that I have learned along my journey in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this from my Facebook page, then please don't forget to like and share to those that need help in digital marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, or even dropshipping. So this is Bernard C here once again from the Market Solvers. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next episode.